I truly and honestly appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. And for those of you who just watch and have not subscribed yet, I would love for you guys to be a part of my family. I am so blessed and I'm so happy to be on YouTube. When I decided to do YouTube, I was a little bit skeptical about doing it. You know, it can be a little intimidating, especially since you've never done stuff like this before. But I'm honest, guys, I am loving every minute of it. I love bringing contents to you guys. I love the comments that you guys leave down below. I love the fact that I'm also making new friends through this channel. So thank you in advance. Thank you for your support. So I won't ramble anymore. I will go ahead and start this haul. So the first item that I got from Target, again, this is all from Target, and it's not a big haul. It's just that some items that I was missing, and I found a couple more. So the first item that I got, I shared in a previous haul, were these pumpkin appetizers plate. There's a Target that's about 3 minutes from my house. So I got this one there. This was the only one that I had when I went that day, and I got the second one. So each one has 2 pieces, so I needed a total of 4, so I got them all. And the price for this is only $3. Okay. The other item that I was missing from the previous haul was a sweater mug, but when I went there I saw 2 additional cups that I liked better than the sweater cup, so I did not pick up a second sweater cup. Actually, the one that I have I will be returning. However, I did pick up 2 different mugs, and this is one of them. And see, it says coffee is like a hug in a mug. Absolutely cute. So I ended up getting 2 of these, and again they were $3. Then I got 2 more. This one says gathered here with grateful hearts. Guys, look at the size of this mug. Woo! Coffee galore. And this was also $3. Okay? And I got 2 of them. Okay? Then I got a wall sign. This one says the exact same thing that the mug says. Gathered here with grateful hearts. Okay, I hope you guys saw that. And this too was $3. Then I got another wall sign. I've seen a lot of people hauling these. It says gather. Really, really nice. And this as well was $3. And my final item is a apron. I love to cook, and I love aprons. I love using them when I cook. When I saw this one, I was like, oh yeah, I absolutely have to have this one for the fall. And it says, hello pumpkin. Okay, it has a pocket right here with some polka dot design. I wish it had 2 pockets, but that's okay for $5. I'm not gonna complain. It actually ties here around the neck as well as in the back. Okay, and like I said, this was $5. Well guys, that is the end of the haul. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. As always, guys, like I said, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So again, if you want to see these videos, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell so you could be notified every time I upload a video. So I don't want you guys missing any of my videos, okay? Again, guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. You guys be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.